Hey, what's up everybody? It's DP Tubs here, back again with another refinishing video. We're going to be reglazing 2 bathtubs and we're going to be using Southwest Industrial Finishes. Since there's 2 tubs, Ethan will always start with the prep, taping and masking in one bathroom while I go ahead and start cleaning and rinsing the other bathroom, and then we generally will swap. So I'm using some scrubbing bubbles, just do a basic rinse and cleaning of the surface before I really start getting into it with the Southwest Soap Scum Shocker. All right, so now my basic cleaning's done and everything's kind of scraped off. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Soap Scum Shocker to do a deep clean of the surface. Remove any soap scum, shower gel residue, body oil, anything of that sort. It's gonna do a deep cleaning of the surface in preparation before I start using the Bondo or body filler on any of the chipped surfaces. Now I'm going to apply the Bondo on both tubs over the chipped surfaces and then sand them smooth and get them ready for the Mega Bond bonding agent or wipe-on primer. Now that all the chips have been filled, I'm going to go ahead and tack cloth the entire area to get ready to use the Mega Bond wipe-on primer. Now I'm going to apply the wipe-on primer to a nice, fresh, clean surface. You can also spray this on. It's generally recommended to wipe on with a microfiber cloth, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a paper towel, and then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to spray the tubs. All right, so now I'm going to mix up the Southwest Industrial Finishes top coat. It's a 4-to-1 ratio with the catalyst or the hardener. And then you can also add about 1 part to 2 parts of the reducer, depending on the consistency that you want. Once I get it all mixed up, then I'm going to go ahead and spray the tubs.
Good. A little more. Okay.
All right, so there you have it. Nice, newly fresh, refinished tubs with the Southwest Industrial Finishes. Definitely a top quality product that I would use again. A little bit sticky on the overspray, but overall one of the better quality products in the industry.